Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by activating the hotspot on the Geo phone so the other phone can see it. Open Settings, go to Network or Hotspot and Tethering, then set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password. This prevents unauthorized access. Once done, enable the hotspot and keep the screen visible while you connect. This helps you confirm the SSID. Make sure mobile data is active on the Geo phone, so tethering provides internet rather than on the receiving phone. You turn on Wi-Fi and scan for the SSID you just created. You must select that exact name and type the password with correct capitalization. Once connected, check the Wi-Fi status icon. If it shows limited access, try toggling Wi-Fi off and back on. Also, make sure you stay close to the Geo phone to avoid weak signal. If your Geo phone offers band options, choose 4 GHz for broader compatibility. Finish by testing internet access. Open a browser or use an app that needs data to confirm connectivity. If pages don't load, first toggle the hotspot off and on, and make sure mobile data on the Geo phone is working. Sometimes a quick reboot of either device clears issues. If connection still fails, forget the Wi-Fi network on the receiving phone and reconnect with the exact password. Key tip: if pairing problems persist, verify data balance and APN settings on the Geo phone before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.